Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear RAM cache on Windows 11 and make your PC run faster, step by step. Let's get started. First, go to your taskbar, right-click and choose Task Manager from the menu. Now, click on the Performance tab. Here, you can see how much of your RAM cache is being used. Next, go to the link in the description. It'll take you to the RAM map download page. Download the zip file. It's a small and safe tool from Microsoft. Once the zip file finishes downloading, extract it, then double-click on RAM map. Click Run when prompted. When RAM map opens, go to the empty menu at the top and select Empty Standby List. You'll instantly notice that the cache usage drops significantly, freeing up your RAM, and that's it. You've successfully cleared your RAM cache and improved your PC performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.